Mercury is a chemical element with the symbol Hg and atomic number 80. It is a heavy, silvery white metal that is liquid at room temperature. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature and is commonly referred to as quicksilver. It is one of the metals known as the transition metals. Mercury was discovered in 1631 by Thomas Harriot and Galileo Galilei. Mercury has a density of 13.5 grams per milliliter, which makes it a very dense and heavy metal. The melting point of this element is only -38.9 degrees Celsius, which is the lowest melting point of all metals. The boiling point is also rather low, coming in at 356.7 degrees Celsius. It's the reason why mercury is commonly found in a liquid state. The color of mercury is a bright silvery metallic, similar to gallium. Mercury is a poor conductor of heat compared to other metals. It can still conduct electricity fairly though. Mercury also alloys easily with many metals, such as gold, silver or tin. The alloys are called amalgams. Mercury undergoes freezing at -38.8 degrees Celsius, which changes it into a solid metal, while it boils at 356.7 degrees Celsius and converts into gas. Mercury's most common compounds that it can form are with the halogens fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, as well as sulfur. This element is used in many things, including older thermometers, fluorescent light bulbs, some electrical switches, mining, some batteries and some industrial processes. Mercury is very dangerous due to the fact that it is toxic. That is why the element has the corrosion and health hazard WHMIS symbols. Depending on the amount and type of mercury, being exposed to it can damage the nervous system, kidneys, liver, and immune system. Mercury has long been known to have extremely detrimental effects on human health, both through water contamination and airborne emissions. Mercury when released into the environment accumulates in water-laid sediments, where it converts into toxic methylmercury and enters the food chain, resulting in mercury contamination. Mercury contamination is a significant public health and environmental problem, because methylmercury enters the bloodstream and affects your organs very easily. Mercury has some beneficial effects as well, such as it being used in many switches or batteries. It is also often found in mining, because it readily combines with other metals. We probably would have less ores today if it weren't for mercury. Personally, we think mercury should be used, as it is very important because batteries and switches are everywhere. However, it should be used carefully and in small quantities, as it has many toxic effects on the environment and can seriously harm people.